everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to share 10 things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Whether you're a content creator, aspiring YouTuber, or you're just curious, these key steps I'm going to share will really help you navigate this platform effectively. The first thing I learned is the importance of consistency. Consistency is key, and once you are focused and determined about being consistent on anything, it will be very easy and smooth. So I would just advise you establish a reliable upload schedule to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. It can be weekly, maybe twice a week, three times a week, and it can be bi-weekly. Just let your audience know that this is your upload schedule and follow up with it. You can do it. Just trust me, you can do it. While consistency is vital, never compromise the quality of video you put out there. Mark what I just said, because there are some brands that are really in details. They'll want to know how your content is, the way you edit, the way you film your video, how detailed it is. So you should focus on delivery content that best describe your work. Even some people, if you see the way they film some videos, you can tell their personalities in some kind of way. For example, I'm the kind of person that really loves aesthetic. For a long time, I quit my YouTube because I'm just like, this background is not good, this background. But luckily now, we now have AI background. This is me on YouTube filming with another background. So just know that quality video will even create credibility with your audience. A lasting impression will be in their mind of coming back that, yes, I know she is bringing up a new and hot stuff for us to consume. So you should make sure you work towards the quality of video you put out there. The full meaning of SEO is search engine optimization. And let me tell you this, search engine optimization is not just for website usage. You as a YouTuber, you need to optimize your video title, the description, the tags to even help you improve the visibility of your content. You need to use relevant tag. It will really help in the way your content show in YouTube search, because when you upload video and all these things are not put in consideration, your video won't go viral. As a content creator, building community is not as easy as people say it, but you can make it easy. You need to respond to comments, ask for feedback. It will even make your audience feel heard. So this engagement you are giving to them is not only helping the connection between you and your viewer, it will also help your video visibility. Just like I did earlier, I said if you are interested in search engine optimization, comment down below. When I see that comment, I will know, yes, this number of people are interested in this video, and I'll make it and drop the video on my YouTube. You learn from it, will also learn. But one, you do not even drop the comment, there's no way I will know that this is what you want. And even when it is negative, also reply. Even if it's positive comment too, your viewers drop, also reply. They might be seeing the video from another perspective and it's not what you intend for that video. You can explain through the negative comment they drop. And if it's positive, you also encourage the person that, yes, thank you for understanding my plight on this video I made. Do you get? So always learn to reply comment. It will even make your subscriber feel being heard. Before I forget, if you're a new subscriber, I want to thank you for doing that. And if you're a returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. I really appreciate you. My new viewers, please don't make it the last time you'll be on this channel. So subscribe and turn on your bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Love you. Create a very good thumbnail and make sure your title grabs attention. For anybody to click on your video, your thumbnail and your title is the first impression they have about the video. And do you know what is called the scroll to what is called the click-through rate? When you are scrolling on YouTube, you know you can watch people video even without clicking on the video. So once your thumbnail and your title is already grabbing and the first 30 seconds of your video is even attractive, people want to click and watch the details of that video. So you should focus on working towards getting a title that grabs attention and your thumbnail to be very, very impressive, because these two, they are the first impression people have before they can click on your video. So work towards making it perfect, like perfect. And there are different apps you can even use for your thumbnail. There are different apps. So you just to go on I Apple Store, go on what's it called, Google app, you see different app you can use for your thumbnail. Planning is very important. I don't know how much and how well I have to emphasize on it, but planning is very, very important. When you plan ahead, you even stay organized. You won't have this last minute stress. So let me help you with what I use for my YouTube setup and the way I plan ahead. You the first thing I do is to brainstorm video ideas, and then you develop a content schedule and have a direct vision for your YouTube channel. So these three steps will really help you to stay track. And once you plan ahead, it will save you from all this last minute stress. It will even help you to be consistent on this YouTube and content creation journey. So make use of this three steps and it will really help you. Enhance your video with these basic editing skills. You should learn how to cut, trim, and add simple effects to your video. A published video is not only looking professional, it also engage your viewers to stick to your video from the start to the finish. You know, once you edit your video very well, even the storyline will be very explanatory. Do you get what I'm saying? So you should learn these basic editing skills. You can even learn it on YouTube. And if you know you need a physical tutor, I can link you up with one of my video editors sha. So just work towards making your scripts good and make sure your editing skills with this cut stream and adding simple effect make your videos, your storyline perfect. Embracing your niche will help you to target specific audience and even build loyalty among viewers that also have similar interests with what to put out there. For example, my own channel is all about self-development, vlog, and lifestyle. So for you to be seeing this new upgrade, I already put out a video for that. This is what my new content will be all about. So I already let my viewers know before I even start another thing I'm niching on. So you should always be specific and always embrace your unique voice. The same way you put out the same topic with other YouTubers is not the same way you elaborate and explain. Different people with their personality. So embrace whatever niche you are in. Don't be discouraged by slow growth. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time. I'll always advise you to celebrate every small growth, every small milestone. You should always celebrate it. All these big YouTubers that you are seeing is not a day process. Some of them have started from maybe 6 years ago. Others in space, Nello, Keke. Their likes, they've started a long time ago. So don't just come on YouTube and just expect a very sudden and immediate growth. It takes time. It's a process. Just stay consistent and be patient. For you to stay informed about YouTube trend, you need to keep an eye on popular content in your niche. You need to be open to evolving new content strategy and you need to adapt to YouTube algorithm. The YouTube of today and the YouTube of last 2 years ago is not the same thing. Things are really changing. Now there is now a new eligibility for YouTube of you have a 500 subscriber and maybe 2,000 watch hour. And they also have the full time one, which is the 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. So things are really changing. We now have the YouTube shorts. Things are really changing. You can't just stay on one point when people are already on the 100% part of the new trends and you're just on the 40 part, you're still dwelling with the old aspects of the platform. So you should learn to always stay informed. You should learn to always be on track. So this will bring us to the end of this video. If you find these tips helpful, don't forget to click on the subscribe button, turn on your bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you know your loved ones that are really interested in knowing these tips, you can feel free to share it to them. It is absolutely free. No payment is attached. Bye.